Hi, this is Uma from EduContra, Bhopal, India. Moving along with the speaking topics, today we are going to concentrate on part 3 of the speaking test, and the focus would be on advertisement. So let's look at a few questions that appear in part 3 of the IELTS test, and let's see what answers we should be providing for such questions.
Do you think advertising influence what people buy?
Advertising definitely has a big role to play in influencing people in buying a product. These days, because people do not have enough time, they immediately turn to advertisements to compare products, to compare prices, and to make informed choices so that they get the best out of what they have spent.
Is advertising really necessary in modern society?
I think it's absolutely essential because we have a range of products with a range of quality and prices as well. So, the common man can obviously not decide what to buy unless he has seen 10 ads and then made a choice about which product offers the best quality and the best service in terms of price paid.
Do you think people take notice of advertisements on the internet?
The internet is a very large force to reckon with today in the advertising industry. People have access to internet even on their mobile devices. And another important thing is that people lack time today. So the easiest thing for them to do is to pick up the mobile, browse the net, search for the ads, and then decide on what they want to buy.
How do you think internet will change people's buying habits in the future?
Internet has become ubiquitous today. So the future is only going to see people accessing the internet more and more for various things in life. And definitely they'll go back to the net in order to buy. The internet will also have a great role to play in influencing people's choices of buying online through online payments. Thank you.